Find the value of x in the diagram. For this question, you're going to have to know a couple geometry rules. Let's first focus on triangle ACD. A geometry rule is that the measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So this angle over here would be the exterior angle of this triangle. So it's going to be the sum of the two remote interior angles. So it's going to be 20 plus 25, which is 45. Now let's focus on triangle ABD. These two sides are congruent. And if two sides are congruent in a triangle, then the angles opposite to the sides must also be congruent. So these two angles are going to be the angles opposite to the sides. So this angle must also be 45 degrees. Now in a triangle, there are a total of 180 degrees. So to solve for x, all we have to do is subtract 180 with 45 plus 45. 45 plus 45 is 90, and 180 minus 90 is 90. So D is going to be your answer.